Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Soft and fluffy orange cake with a tender crumb, melt in mouth texture and bright orange flavor. This everyday orange cake recipe is easy to make and only gets better over time. So why you wait? Let's start baking. Take 3 egg whites in a large bowl. Beat on medium speed until soft peaks form. Gradually add 2/3 cups of sugar and beat on high speed until stiff peaks form. Add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and beat for a minute until it is mixed. Into this add 1 egg yolk at a time and beat well after each addition. Sieve and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and sieve into the batter. Gently folding the flour into the batter until everything is well mixed. Add 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest and folding into the batter. Now add 1/4 cup of orange juice and gently fold into the batter. Prepare an 8-inch cake tin with oil and place a parchment paper and pour the batter in it. Meanwhile, preheat your oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Tap the cake tin twice to release excess air bubbles and bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once baked, let it cool down completely before eating. For the best texture, let the cake rest for a day at room temperature before eating. The citrus flavor comes stronger over time, giving you a juicy punch in every bite. Store the cake in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For the best moist texture, the cake is best served at room temperature. A soft and tender orange cake that's bursting with fresh orange flavor is ready here. This is everyday orange cake recipe and it is easy to make and only gets better over time. Do try out this recipe and share your feedbacks. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and families. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get notifications when we upload new videos. See you with more videos. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.